Examples of verbs used in sentences. The baby giggles when tickled. The baby giggles when tickled. The train departs at 8 a.m. The train departs at 8 a.m. She sings beautifully in the choir. She sings beautifully in the choir. He bakes delicious cookies for his friends. He bakes delicious cookies for his friends. They dance passionately on the stage. They dance passionately on the stage. The flowers bloom in spring. The flowers bloom in spring. We explore new places during vacations. We explore new places during vacations. The cat jumps onto the table. The cat jumps onto the table. I believe in second chances. I believe in second chances. The students study diligently for the exam. The students study diligently for the exam. The wind gusts through the open window. The wind gusts through the open window. She designs stunning jewelry pieces. She designs stunning jewelry pieces. They argue about politics at the dinner table. They argue about politics at the dinner table. The raindrops fall gently on the roof. The raindrops fall gently on the roof. He composes music for films. He composes music for films. The athlete trains rigorously for the competition. The athlete trains rigorously for the competition. We hope for a better future. We hope for a better future. The waves crash against the shore. The waves crash against the shore. She sews her own clothes. She sews her own clothes. They swim in the lake during summer. They swim in the lake during summer. The teacher instructs the students in math. The teacher instructs the students in math. He fishes for trout in the river. He fishes for trout in the river. The children laugh joyfully at the playground. The children laugh joyfully at the playground. We climb the mountain to watch the sunrise. We climb the mountain to watch the sunrise. The thunderstorm frightens the little girl. The thunderstorm frightens the little girl. The mechanic repairs the car's engine. The mechanic repairs the car's engine. She hugs her friend tightly. She hugs her friend tightly. They row a boat on the lake. They row a boat on the lake. The movie entertains the audience. The movie entertains the audience. I write a heartfelt letter to my grandmother. I write a heartfelt letter to my grandmother. The fireman rescues the cat from the tree. The fireman rescues the cat from the tree. He explores the ancient ruins of the temple. He explores the ancient ruins of the temple. She checks her email every morning. She checks her email every morning. They dance under the starry sky. They dance under the starry sky. The chef garnishes the dish with fresh herbs. The chef garnishes the dish with fresh herbs. We drive to the countryside for a picnic. We drive to the countryside for a picnic. The baby crawls across the room. The baby crawls across the room. He proposes to his girlfriend on the beach. He proposes to his girlfriend on the beach. She whistles a cheerful tune. She whistles a cheerful tune. They sculpt statues from marble. They sculpt statues from marble. The news shocks the nation. The news shocks the nation. I meditate to find inner peace. I meditate to find inner peace. The workers construct a new building. The workers construct a new building. The actors rehearse for the play. The actors rehearse for the play. We paint the walls a bright color. We paint the walls a bright color. The magician amazes the audience with his tricks. The magician amazes the audience with his tricks. She calculates the expenses for the trip. She calculates the expenses for the trip. They explore the dense forest. They explore the dense forest. He volunteers at the local shelter. He volunteers at the local shelter.